HFNO, it provides heated humidified oxygen at a high flow rate with a constant FiO2. It has got following advantages. Now coming to how it works. Room air and oxygen are blended inside the AIRVO 2 machine, which then drives the respiratory gas into the water chamber. Heater plate warms the water, thus the respiratory gas gets heated and humidified. Through an OptiFlow patient interface, the gas gets delivered. During the therapy, patient can eat, drink and talk, thus helps in better comfort and compliance. Before using for a patient, check for sterilization. If the indicator shows yellow, do not use. The machine needs sterilization. It's not clean. But if it turns green, then it's ready to use. Go ahead. Equipments needed: AIRVO circuit, humidification fluid and nasal cannula. Open the humidified chamber. Attach the connector. Then connect to machine until you hear the click sound. For humidification, only use sterile water. The bottle spiked with the connecting tube. And water filled up to the mark in the water chamber. Connect the AIRVO flow tubing to the machine. Now it's ready to use. We need to set the parameters. Press the power button up to 4 seconds to start. It will run into a set of self-check. The colorful pictures on the monitor shows it is in junior mode. Need to change it into an adult mode. For that, press the play button for around 4 seconds. It will change to adult mode. On the screen, you can see temperature, flow and oxygen. To change temperature, press the play button. Now press the up and down arrows simultaneously. It will unlock the screen. Now you can scroll up and down to set the temperature. Press play, it will lock the settings. 37 degrees Celsius is the recommended temperature for adults. Similarly, flow is set as per the patient's inspiratory demand. To start with, usually at 40 to 50 liters per minute, and then change accordingly the patient's demand. Oxygen is controlled by the flow meter, and the FiO2 is adjusted as per the flow given in the flow meter. It can go up to 100%. Now the circuit is connected to the patient interface and then attached to the patient. ROX index is checked for HFNC success or failure. It is calculated at frequent intervals and managed accordingly. For sterilization, remove the water chamber and the AIRVO circuit. Connect the sterilization circuit to the machine. Press the power button. If the monitor shows air filter change due, then it's time to change the air filter. Old air filter removed from the back of the machine. Replaced with a new fresh one. It will need 55 minutes to sterilize and clean the machine. Once it's done, check for the green indicator.